Fe enw yw Jeremy Miles a fi yw ysgrifennydd y Cabinet dros Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol. Gofynnwyd i mi ddweud ychydig eiriau am adnoddau Cymraeg newydd sydd wedi cael ei datblygu gan y Ganolfan Dysgu Cymraeg Genedlaethol. My name is Jeremy Miles, I'm the Cabinet Secretary for Health and Social Care. I've been asked to say a few words about new Welsh language resources and a new Welsh language courtesy course that's been developed by the National Centre for Learning Welsh. I've spoken Welsh all of my life, so it won't come as a surprise to any of you that I'm a big advocate for the Welsh language. My message to all health and social care staff in Wales, whether you work in nursing, in A&E, as a porter, in a GP surgery, dental health or in social care, you don't have to be fluent to make a difference. Just a few words can make a huge impact. This is because language and care go hand in hand. One of the best parts of my job is meeting people, and since being in this role, I've had many testimonies that I've heard from people of all age groups and backgrounds about how it makes them feel when they hear a bit of Welsh. Being able to say a few words in Welsh can go a long way, and that can include words of comfort or offering a paned or even being able to pronounce someone's name in Welsh. It doesn't matter how many words of Welsh you have, what matters is that you use it. The new learning resource that has been developed for the NHS and for social care staff can help you make a start with learning Welsh, introducing keywords and phrases that you can use on a daily basis. In doing so, every one of you will be contributing and increasing the use of Welsh in the healthcare system, in line with our national plan for the Welsh language in health and social care called Mwy na Geiriau. If you're new to Welsh, it's easier than ever to start learning the language thanks to a package of learning resources including an online short course and tutor-led Welcome to Welsh sessions. There are also Welsh tutors available, including one in every health board area, and a range of learning options are available to you wherever you are on your language journey. A little bit of Cymraeg can go a long way, and everyone is welcome and encouraged to learn and use the language. Diolch am wrando. Thank you for listening.